Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Reggae Boys striker Trivante Stewart has inked a 3-year deal with top Israeli Premier League team Maccabi Haifa from Serbian team FK Radonjic. Stewart put pen to paper on Thursday in Israel for a record 1.5 million euros with an option for one additional season after passing the required medical tests. He becomes the first player from Radonjic to transfer for over 1 million euros to another club. The 25-year-old former Mount Pleasant Academy standout scored 15 goals in 33 appearances in total for Radonjic in the Serbian Super League last season. Maccabi Haifa finished third in the Israeli Premier League last season with 61 points. Stewart, who last played for the Reggae Boys in October 2023 against Canada, joins another Jamaican, Javan East, in the Israeli Premier League. East joined Maccabi Haifa last season, scoring 6 goals in 14 appearances as they finished 5th in the league. Defending champions JDF battled to a 3-2 win over Jamaica Fire Brigade in the final of the Jamaica Civil Service Association football competition played recently at Jassisera Park. It was the JDF who struck first in minute 14 when Keena Allen scored, but the Firemen would extinguish that lead when they pulled level in the 38th through Raman Brevitt. Brevitt would pop up again 2 minutes from the halftime break to give the Firemen a 2-1 lead. But the JDF would come out blazing in the second half, and in minute 67, they would find the equalizer from the penalty spot when Kambuzi Makala converted to make it 2-2. And with the game looking like it would head to penalties, Allen returned to score a beauty in the 90th to get his second on the day and secure the winner in dramatic fashion for the JDF. Although coming away with the win, JDF's coach Dave Jackson also paid homage to the Fire Brigade.
From me a coach and in final, one of the toughest final this I ever played. Congrats to Fire. Them can't hold long them head, them put them fight. But I tell my team half time, there's no explanation. Just dig deep in yourself. You understand? And come out with the result. Because Fire have a number 10 and a number 7 and number 90. Those three player, very good player. You understand me? And before the game, I tell them that the game going to come from there.
For the Fire Brigade, their first time in the competition has served as a motivation.
We have a lot of players. That have shown interest to come. So I guess this now will motivate them, plus also help the camaraderie of the Fire Brigade and help the big guys to support us a little bit more.
The Jamaica Olympic Association is setting the stage for the Jamaica Cricket Association to challenge for a spot at the 2028 Olympic Games in Los Angeles in the USA. This comes with the leadership of the Caribbean Association of National Olympic Committees, CANOC, and Cricket West Indies, pushing for individual Caribbean nations to try and qualify for the LA 28 Games. In order for Jamaica to see qualification in cricket to the Olympic Games in Los Angeles, the JCA must do certain things to fall in line with the Olympic movement.
What we have indicated to the association is to constitute an Olympic squad so that we can from now map that journey from a financial point of view and also from a logistic point of view. So we are waiting for the Cricket Association to come with that squad.
And that is it for your midday sports, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.